Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with a new poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore and this poem was published in the year 1910. This additional information is important for the poem because in order to understand the poem, the time era when it was written is very much necessary. 1910 was the time when we were not independent, we were still colonized, and at that time Rabindranath Tagore wrote this poem in order to describe how he wished his country to be in future when we achieve independence. How he wanted the people to be, what prayers did he make for his country. So in 1910 this poem was published and we'll further see what he wished for the country and how the country should be in the future. First I'll be reading the poem and then we'll be understanding the poem word to word. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Fragments का मतलब होता है टुकड़े. Where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms. Tireless मतलब कि बिना रुके बिना थके and striving means longing for something. Towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Stream of reason, stream यहाँ पे पानी की स्ट्रीम जैसे होती है वैसे ही यहाँ पे रीज़न का स्ट्रीम बताया है, मतलब कि कंटिन्यूस रीजनिंग. एंड ड्रेरी डेजर्ट का मतलब होता है वास्ट स्प्रेडेड डेजर्ट. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. As I said, Rabindranath Tagore, he made a prayer, he prayed for his country, and we can see what all he wished for his country and his countrymen. Still we'll be understanding the poem in detail. Here the poet says that when we be free, we won't be under oppression, we will not be scared of anything and our head will be held high. Head being held high का मतलब होता है कि हम लोग गर्व से ऊंचा देख के ज़िंदगी जी पाएंगे. जैसे कॉलोनाइज टाइम में ब्रिटिशर्स के अंडर हम लोग रहते थे तो वी वर नॉट फ्री, वी वर स्लेव्स टू देम एंड एट दैट टाइम वी कुड नॉट कीप आवर हेड्स हाई. He also says that where knowledge will be free, knowledge here is education and practical knowledge, everything will be free, there won't be any boundaries. Where the world has not been broken up into domestic walls, that means our country will no more be divided into parts, we all will be one, we won't be divided and we won't be ruled by someone who is not our countryman. He also says that we will be then able to give reason for everything, we will be following the truth and we will lead towards perfection. Moreover, he says that our mind will be led forward into ever-widening thought and action. That means once we be free, we will be thinking about our country, we will be following the path of truth, we will be wise, and then our actions will be something that will lead our country to freedom and acknowledgement. Once again, we will see the poem. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Here everything is a wish. What all the poet has said is his wish. So where he says that where the mind is without fear, that means where no one will be afraid and the head is held high. And our heads would be held high. When knowledge is free, मतलब हमारी नॉलेज गेन करने पे कोई बाउंड्रीज नहीं होगी, कोई रोक टोक नहीं होगी. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. In those days in the past, if you remember, we also had n number of social evils. We had people who were narrow minded. तो ये सारी चीज़ें फ्यूचर में ना हो, ये भी विश किया है पोइट ने कि हमारी कंट्री दो तरीके से उन्होंने टुकड़ों में बटी है बताया है. एक तो कि कॉलोनाइज थे हम लोग, तो उसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग एक नहीं थे, ब्रिटिशर्स ने हमें डिवाइड करके रखा हुआ था. तो एक तो जब हम लोग फ्रीडम अचीव कर लेंगे तो ये टुकड़ों में बँटने वाली बात ख़त्म हो जाएगी, हम लोग सब एक हो जाएंगे। एंड द सेकेंड थिंग, हम लोग जो डोमेस्टिक वॉल से घिरे हुए, मतलब कि हम जो सोशल इविल्स हमने खुद ने जो हमारे लिए ऑब्स्ट्रक्शंस क्रिएट किए हैं, वो भी जब हम नॉलेज गेन कर लेंगे, एजुकेटेड हो जाएंगे, तो ये सारी ऑर्थोडॉक्स थिंकिंग, सुपरस्टिशंस और ये सारी नैरो डोमेस्टिक वॉल्स जो है वो टूट जाएगी और हम लोग एक हो जाएंगे, एक जैसा सोचेंगे। वेयर वर्ड्स कम आउट फ्रॉम द डेप्थ ऑफ ट्रुथ, उस टाइम पे कोई झूठ नहीं बोलेगा। अगर किसी कंट्री में सब लोग सच बोलेंगे, इफ़ द पीपल फॉलो द पाथ ऑफ ट्रुथ, एवरीथिंग विल लीड टू डेवलपमेंट एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी। वेयर टायरलेस स्ट्राइविंग स्ट्रेचेस इट्स आर्म्स टूवर्ड्स परफेक्शन, ऐसी कंट्री में जहाँ पे लोग कंटिन्यूसली स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग परफेक्ट बन पाए, हम लोग फ्री हो पाए, तो वैसी जगहों पे फिर उन्हें आगे बढ़ने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता है। Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way, रीज़न यहाँ पे मतलब लॉजिक, ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे लॉजिक ने अपना रास्ता नहीं खोया है, लॉजिक भटका हुआ नहीं है, जहाँ लोग अगर लॉजिकल बातें करते हैं तो वहाँ पे फ्रीडम और प्रॉस्पेरिटी आना श्योर होता है। Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action into that heaven of freedom, the poet wishes the people of the country to continuously work and move forward, to keep thinking and to keep acting in the way of freedom, on the path of freedom. And here the poet says, my father, let my country awake. That means in those days, in the past, the poet wished that all the countrymen think logically, all the countrymen have the same motive of achieving independence, and they all be united, keeping apart all the social differences. This is the poem written by Rabindranath Tagore, Where the Mind is Without Fear. I hope the content is clear, kids. Thank you.